Plastic is an invention that made the world much more convenient. From birth to date, we have been using a huge amount of plastic and disposed of a huge amount of plastic. The earth is being covered all over with plastics. Is it okay to let this continue? We are well aware of the problems with plastic. From 1950 to 2015, a whopping 8.3 billion tons of plastic was produced. This is as heavy as 25,000 Empire State Buildings in the United States. Plastic, which was invented over 100 years ago, takes 500 years to biodegrade. This means that the first man-made plastic can be found somewhere on Earth. What impact does this plastic waste have on our environment? Among the plastic waste, 86% cannot be recycled. It cannot be burnt because toxic chemicals will be emitted. Most of the plastic waste is buried in the ground or flows into the ocean. In particular, plastic that flows into the sea destroys the ecosystem. Plastic afloat in the ocean accumulate to form a giant garbage patch, and it takes the lives of animals. Microplastics accumulate in marine organisms, follow up the food chain, and end up in our bodies. Fortunately, we are now aware of the severity of the problems with plastic waste and slowly changing our lifestyle accordingly. More and more people are now using a tumbler, using less disposable plastic, and continuously making efforts to reduce plastic waste. Since the Samsung Environmental Declaration in 1992, Samsung Electronics established a green management value system and vision through its midterm environmental strategy called Eco-Management 2008, and has been executing a variety of activities for the harmonious coexistence between environment and business. In particular, Samsung Electronics is recycling plastics by collecting waste electronic equipment and using the recycled plastic in new products in order to reduce its plastic footprint. And now, it decided to implement even more aggressive policies. Samsung Electronics will use eco-friendly materials for plastics and vinyl packaging that are being provided to minimize product damage. The plastic tray used to place products will be replaced by molded pulp trays made from bamboo, sugarcane molasses, and etc. The vinyl used to wrap the earphones and cable will be made from eco-friendly materials such as paper or bio-based vinyl. In particular, even the design of the battery charger will be modified to matte so as to remove the surface protective vinyl. Even the vinyl packaging currently used for large home appliances will be replaced by recycled and bio-based materials one by one. Furthermore, only sustainable sourced paper will be used for all the manuals and packaging by 2020. The clean earth we will shape together. Aren't you excited to see it? Samsung Electronics will always put the planet first.